you don't need perfect, crispy content to have a successful video. And now my mentality is more like organic. Even on camera, I'm less scripted. That's why I started doing that goofy stuff and just having fun. Whereas if you watch my earlier videos, it's like, perfect measurements, 50 grams of this. And it's like, no, dude.
We were talking the other day about this idea of simple versus complex. You can have something that's so simple because you're probably working with great ingredients, or you can have something that's a 13 ingredient spice blend. And there's so much complexity, but you don't even see the complexity because it's like all of it's been reduced to a powder and it's coating a piece of paneer, maybe.
Yeah. It's sometimes the ingredient that you eliminate or take away that makes the dish.
I heard that definition of great editing. Great editing is when there's nothing left to take away. So in other words, your art is not done when there's nothing left to add. Your art is done when there's nothing left to take away.